But why won't the insertions in the 2025 budget, why won't it be his fault? I mean,
Because
doesn't the buck stop with the leader?
I
Di ba
think-
ano nang tinuturo natin, sir?
Well, here's the process of budget. As I explained earlier, the House version did not have the insertions. It went to the Senate. The Senate and the Congress had a bicameral committee. The bicameral committee was composed of many representatives. Then they decided to make it a small committee. The small committee was 4 people. Okay, Senate President Chis Escudero, Speaker Romualdez, Senator Grace Poe, and Congressman Saldico.
Oh.
That was the small committee. The small committee went into their meetings. This is where the insertions were put in, by the way.
Yun. So nandun po siya.
No, the speaker did not attend those meetings. Senator Grace Poe was not allowed to attend most of those meetings. It ended up Saldico and Senate President Escudero were the ones that actually penciled in whatever needed to be penciled in at the end. And if you look at the budget, there are 20,000 DPWS projects, 20,000. So, it takes a lot of, real painstaking work to do it. But it was the two that actually finalized those things. And that is what I'm saying, did not come to light until just recently. Since the situation everybody knew was the case as early as January. So now,
Congressman,
with regards
so
to those-
is it right to say that Zaldico and are you saying Chis Escudero are frankly to blame
Yes.
for the 2025 budget?
Yes. Because then the version that they sent back to the House already included all the insertions. Now, that's a bicameral thing, but that's the step in the budget process where the Senate reviews what the House of Representatives does, and then gets back to them with the final version of the Appropriations Act, which they then forward to the President for approval. But then again, okay, so you signed it, you approved it. Yeah, 20,000 projects, no? I mean, I don't, I've seen the budget, no? I could not find, for the life of me, my own projects in my district. In the General Appropriations Bill. That's how complicated it is.
But why won't the insertions